Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a status in ClickUp. And if your workspace feels a little cluttered or you've got way too many custom statuses floating around, this is honestly one of the quickest ways to clean things up without breaking anything. So first things first, open the space where that status lives. Every space can have its own unique workflow, so make sure you're inside the right one. Once you're there, click the little three-dot menu next to the space name. Yeah, that one in the sidebar, and choose Space Settings. That's where all the custom workflow and structure stuff lives. When the settings panel opens, scroll down until you see the option labeled Statuses. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you every status in your workflow. Things like To Do, In Progress, Review, Done, plus any custom ones your team has added over time. And sometimes, those custom ones pile up pretty fast. Take a moment to look through the list and find the exact status you want to remove. Maybe it's something like waiting or blocked, or maybe someone created a temporary status that you just don't need anymore. Once you find it, hover over it, and you'll see a little trash icon appear on the right. Click that trash icon. Now, ClickUp will show you a quick pop-up asking what to do with tasks that are currently using that status. This is important because if you delete the status without moving the tasks, they'd basically lose their place in the workflow. So just decide where they should go. You can move them into To-Do or maybe In Progress or whatever makes the most sense for your project. After you pick the new destination status, hit Save, and that's it. The old status disappears right away. The tasks get reassigned, the workflow gets cleaned up, and your ClickUp space starts looking a lot more organized. And if you ever need to add a new status again, you can create one from the exact same place. So yeah, deleting and managing statuses is super flexible. All right, so that's the full walkthrough on how to delete a status in ClickUp. It's a simple process, but it helps keep your workspace clean and your team workflow, nice and smooth. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the next ClickUp guide if you want more short and simple productivity tips. Hey everyone,